Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we've got the drone and I'm just setting it up now. So I'm just putting the landing pad down and I'm taking you on a first with me again, because I've used the drone a few times, and if you've been watching, you know I've done about 6 flights, but one of the things I haven't used are the quick shots. So that's today's task, is to have a quick look at the quick shots. We've got the drone all ready. I've checked for updates and I'm just going to put it onto the landing pad. It's a bit windy today actually. I'm hoping it's all okay. I've got the controller ready in the back of my bike here, and I need my gloves on because it is absolutely freezing. Okay, just getting set up. Takes a little while, doesn't it? Okay, we're all there. We've only got 5 satellites at the moment. Let's just I've checked all this out. Home point updated. We've got 13 satellites now, so we can take off. So let's start the thing.
Take off. Home point updated.
So we've got 15 satellites at the moment. So what I want to try and do is, let's just spin it round, is see if we can go round this tree. Let's just take it forward a bit. Going to line it up with the tree. Bring the gimbal up a little bit. Oh, it is up. Let's just go up then. So we'll try again. So we're not recording at the moment. We go to quick shots, and then what we want is circle. So we press circle. Okay, so we've got the tree. We're going to start now.
3, 2, 1.
So that's now just following the tree round. You can see it's still pointing at the tree. What is normally the record button is showing you a percentage of how far round it is. So we're about 53% of the way round. It's still locked on that tree, which is good. We're at 79%, and here it comes, just round here, and it should stop when it's on 100, and there it is on there. That's brilliant. So that's followed an object, so that could be anything, you know, that could be a person. So let's try Dronie. Okay, so this is distance 100 feet. Just going to start.
3, 2, 1.
Okay. So Dronie should go backwards. That's now on 100%. So that now should be returning. And that's returned. That's it. So let's just bring it down a bit. Okay, so that was your Dronie. So this is good if you've got a group of people. So let's just turn it round towards me. Let's imagine I'm a group of people, and I'm going to just bring it forward towards me a bit. Bit too close. Now let's draw around me. So that's now picked me up, and I'm going to do start,
3, 2,
and
1.
it's all automatic, and off it goes, and it's now doing a Dronie. So this is a great little drone. If you've watched my other videos, you'll see that it's a reasonable price and it's fairly easy to learn to use. So it's now returning, it's done the Dronie. There we go. Okay, it's returning and that's there. So let's now select one of the others. We've got a sort of, I don't know what you call it. Oh, it's called a Helix. So let's do a Helix, and we'll do this on the tree. So let's just turn it round. Bring the gimbal up a bit. We're going to draw around the tree again.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Now you can go left or right here, but I'm going to go left, so click start,
3, 2,
and let's watch what it does. It's now going round the tree, it's locked on the tree. And that's now returning. So it automatically does a return to home, which is really great. Okay, let's have a look, see what else we've got. Oh, we've got Boomerang and Rocket. So let's do a Rocket. So let's turn it round towards me again this time. Again, I'm going to draw around me, so it's now pick me up. Oh no, let's make sure it is Rocket. That's it, and then draw around me again.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
And start.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go. So that should go up. It's locked on me. It should bring the gimbal down to face me, which it is. It's going straight above me. We're at 90 feet. Okay, that's gone up to about just over 100 foot and then returning. You don't really want it much higher when you're going above objects that you want to see. That's it, and that's returned. And then the final one we've got is Boomerang. Let's see what that does. We've got Boomerang. We'll do me again. We'll draw around me.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
and we'll change the direction this time and start.
3, 2, 1.
Here it goes. It's going to the left, so it's going round and up. I'll keep moving around to watch it. Oh, I see, and now that's coming back. So it goes round and up and then carry on going round and back down again. So that is absolutely brilliant, isn't it? And that saves you doing all these moves yourself. You've got these presets on here, which is absolutely brilliant. I think we've covered them all now. Let's just press this. We've got rocket, circle, helix, and then boomerang. It hasn't got a follow me or anything like that, like some of the other drones, but I think it's absolutely brilliant. Oh, we can do a pano actually. Let's see how this one goes. So let's just go up. Go back a bit so I can see it. So we've got the lake there. So let's click start. This is just taking lots of shots and it's going to hopefully stitch them together to save me doing it. Go on to video, start the video. So I'm just doing a return to home, see how close it gets. So it's going up first because I was quite low. Got my return to home at about 100 feet, 150 feet, something like that. So here it comes, just coming down over the top now. So I normally try and bring the gimbal down so I can see the landing mat. There it is, you can see the landing mat. And here it comes. I normally do the last bit myself, otherwise we start cutting the grass. Because it's never once been absolutely accurately on the H. So I tap to cancel it and then I just bring it back. Let's come backwards. Then because I've got the gimbal pointing down, I just try and line that up. If you face it away from you, then up, down, forward and back just seems more natural. So I just go forward but slightly and then
landing.
And that's not bad. I had 19% left on the battery, so that's good timing. So anyway, just a short video, just trying out the Quickshots. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so that you don't miss my future trips out. And I do look forward to seeing you on my next trip out.